Hi guys, mahilig ba kayo sa Magic? May kinalaman kasi dyan ang accessible simulation game for Android na i-share ko sa inyo ngayon. Libre itong nada-download sa Play Store kaya tara na.
Magic Research Demo.
So, open natin itong app.
Magic Research Demo.
Ito, Magic Research Demo.
Welcome to Magic Research.
Ayan. Pag ito ay bagong download lang galing sa Play Store, papipiliin ka niya ng schools at saka ng iyong
Please choose a primary school of magic.
element.
If it's your first
Ayan.
time playing,
So,
choosing conjuration button.
So, pag pipiliin ka ng mga school, ang choices dito ay Conjuration,
Enchantment button.
Enchantment,
Illusion button.
Illusion. Pero pag first timer ka daw, Conjuration daw ang
Conjuration
pipiliin mo.
button.
So, double tap natin yan. Bali, nag-right swipe lang ako kasi
Please choose a
parang
primary enchantment
hindi
button.
masyadong
Enchantment
try
button.
natin siya i-explore by
Illusion
touch.
button.
Hindi.
You have selected conjuration. Conjuration is a school that studies creating permanent or semi-permanent physical objects out of nothing. An example spell is Create Pebble. This school is recommended for beginners.
Ayan. Ito daw recommended for beginners.
Elements.
So, sa elements,
Please choose a primary element.
pili tayo ng primary
Fire
element.
button. Earth
Fire,
button.
earth.
Water button.
water.
Air button.
So,
Water. Earth button.
try natin yung earth. Ayan.
Water but air button. You have
Earth.
selected earth. A basic element, one that we often deal with. Includes spells related to metals.
Ayan.
Start the game. Button.
Tapos, start natin yung game. Dito sa game na to, guys, ay parating right swipe lang. Tingin ko hindi masyadong nag-work dito. Explore by touch. Nahihirapan din
Back
ako
button. Menu button.
Itong menu, nandito yung mga, tingnan natin kung anong meron dito.
Campus. Events. Magic research. Campus button. Stats button.
Pag dinouble tap yung menu, ito ang mga
Illusion. LV1.
lumalabas.
Schools. Expanded. Resources. Expanded. Press to collapse.
Ayan, parang
About button. Resources. Expanded. Press to schools. Expanded. Press to conjuration. LV. Enchantment. LV1x0/1000.
parang mga, settings,
Illusion.
tsaka
LV1x. Campus.
parang status mo
Stats.
sa game.
Help.
Stats, help,
Options.
options,
About.
about,
Cast spell button.
cast spell. Ay, ito. Itong cast spell na to, magagamit lang natin to pag nakaipon na tayo ng mana.
Mana 0/100.
Pero since 0 out of 100 pa
Menu
lang,
button. Campus.
punta tayo dito sa campus.
Events.
Teka,
Campus.
campus.
Events button.
Double tap ko lang yung campus. Tapos,
Magic
right
research.
swipe na
Campus
hanapin
button.
natin
Stats
ang
button. Campus.
campus na. Campus button. Ayan.
Campus. Events but. Gather mana. Expand.
So, sabi dito, gather
Gather
mana.
mana button.
Gather mana button. Double tap yan. So, mag-gather na siya. Paisa-isa nga lang ito. Pag gusto mong mabasa yung description nung bawat button,
Expand.
gaya niyan,
Current goal.
ito,
Expand.
expand. Pag dinoble tap ko to, at nag-right swipe
Current
ako,
Expand.
teka, bakit hindi siya
Gather mana.
gumagana?
Expand.
Ayun, double tap ko yung expand.
Focus your thoughts and gather mana. Tip. You can press and hold buttons to auto press them. +1 colon mana.
So, yun. In-explain niya. Bali, lahat ng buttons nung dito sa game, may explanation siya kapag dinoble tap mo yung expand button after nung each button. So, ito, sabi niya, one mana lang ang kanyang pinoproduce pag
Collapse. Gather
isang,
mana button.
pag isang beses mo lang dinoble tap yan. Pero kung i-double tap and long press natin yan, baka sakaling marami-rami yung
Collapse.
magawa niya.
Focus your thoughts and gather mana. Tip. You can press and hold buttons to auto press them. +1 colon mana.
Parang auto-press.
Collapse.
I-collapse muna natin para medyo mabawasan yung isa-swipe natin. Tapos, pag nag-right swipe pa, makikita mo rin
Gather more
yung
mana.
gather
Gather more mana.
more mana.
Stats.
So, pag nag-right swipe,
Help.
medyo
Options.
wala katapos
About.
ang right swipe
Cast
na
spell.
tayo
Mana.
dito.
5/100.
Ayun, 5 of 100.
Cast. About. Option. Help. Stats. Campus. Gather more mana.
So,
Current
gather
goal.
more mana pa
Expand.
daw.
Gather mana button.
So, double tap lang natin siya.
RNE overlay backdrop.
Wait lang, may lumabas. Ito yun, minsan may nagpa-pop out na dialogue. Basahin lang
You are a wizard.
natin.
Close button. Gathering mana is useful, but why would you do it if you had nothing to use it for? You slowly recall how to cast spells, and remember a basic conjuration spell, Create Pebble. You think of trying it soon. You have unlocked the ability to cast spells. You can cast spells by pressing the wand icon at the top right or bottom right corner of the screen.
Aha. So, ito meron na siyang lumabas na story, tsaka kung ano yung mga next natin
Close
gagawin.
button.
So, ito ni parang naging guide. So,
Already
pagkatapos
overlay
na
back.
siyang
Close
basahin,
button.
double tap na natin
Magic
close.
research
So,
menu
sabi
button.
gawa daw tayo ng
Canvas.
pebbles.
Events.
So, right swipe tayo
Gather mana.
hanggang...
Expand. Current goal.
Teka lang.
Create more stone and water.
Create more stone and water daw.
Canvas. Stats.
So, hanapin
Option.
natin yung
About. Cast spell button.
cast spell button. Ayan. Hindi ko mahanap guys kasi yung pinakamabilis na paraan para makapunta dito. So, talagang wala katapusang swiping tayo. Ayan. So, double tap and long press natin yung cast spell. Tapos, right swipe tayo.
Mana. 10. Menu. Button. Mana. 10/100.
10 of 100
Menu.
pala
Canvas.
yung mana.
Events. Button.
Tapos,
Cast spell.
right
By school.
swipe tayo.
Conjuration. Edit box disabled.
Ayan. Yung
By school. Expanded. Press to collapse.
kung by
Cast.
school.
By school. Expanded. Press to collapse.
Ayan. By school.
Conjuration. Edit box disabled.
Nasa conjuration na tayo eh. So,
Expand all.
right
Button.
swipe lang
Tip.
tayo.
You can find more spells by change. Create Pebble 5 mana. Button.
So, create pebble 5 mana.
Expand. Create Pebble 5 mana. Button. Expand.
Double tap muna natin yung expand para malaman natin kung para saan yun.
Convert mana into a few pebbles. Plus 5 colon stone.
Ayun. So,
Collapse.
okay. Yun ang description niya.
Create Pebble 5 mana. Button.
Double tap natin.
Expand. Create Water 20 mana. Button disabled.
So, yung next naman dito ay create water 20 mana. So,
Expand.
kailangan nating mag-create uli ng maraming mana para
Resources.
conjure. Makagawa tayo
Expand.
ng water.
Resources.
Ay,
Stone
ayan.
5/50. Resources.
Nag-right swipe ka pala, makikita mo yung resources.
Stone 5/50.
5/50.
Stats.
Wala pa. Ayun.
Canvas.
So, yun lang siya as is, guys. Pero
Stone
halimbawa,
Create
mag-let's
expand.
muna ako.
By school. Conjuration. Edit box disabled.
Ayan, by school daw. Edit box disabled. Pag dinouble tap and long press mo to, yan. Tapos mag-right swipe
Check
tayo.
conjuration.
Ito na yung pagpipilian nyo, yung conjuration,
Uncheck illusion.
illusion,
Check conjuration. Uncheck illusion. Check conjuration. Uncheck conjuration. Uncheck illusion.
ayun, dalawa lang pala
Check
siya.
conjuration.
For now, dalawa pa lang yung lumalabas. Pero alam ko tatlo to eh. So, check mo lang siya. Ganun lang yung way kasi minsan kakailanganin nyo to eh. So, back na tayo.
Back button. Magic
Create ulit na yun ng mana.
mana.
Punta tayo
5/100.
sa... Ay, ayun, nag-create
Menu,
na siya
button.
mag-isa. Wait lang.
Mana. 5.
Ay, hindi
Menu.
meron pa.
Canvas. Events. Button. Cast spell.
So, kung gusto nyo mag-create ulit ng
Events. Button.
mana,
Canvas.
punta tayo sa campus.
Event. Cast spell. By school. Expanded. Conjuration.
Teka.
Edit box disabled.
Hindi siya napunta.
Menu. Button. Event. By school. Conjuration.
Talagang gusto niya right swipe lang. Wait
Expand all.
lang.
Tip. Create. Expand. Resources. Stone 5. Canvas. Stats. Help. Canvas.
Ayan. Basta double tap lang yung
Stats.
campus.
Help.
Pag mag-create
Options.
na tayo.
About. Cast spell. Mana. 5/100. Canvas. Events. Gather. Expand. Gather mana. Button. Expand. Current goal. Create more stone and water. Resources. Stone 5/50. Create. Expand. Gather mana. Button.
Gather mana. So, basically, ganun lang yung gameplay nito, guys. Susundin nyo lang yung mga...
Expand. Current goal.
Kasi na ba
Create
yung
more stone
goals
and
na
water.
dito. Tapos, punta kayo sa campus para makapag-create ng mana or makapag-construct ng
Gather. Expanded.
mga kailangan dito base sa kung ano yung pinaprompt nung screen, dun sa events. Tapos, kung gagamitin nyo yung spell, hanapin nyo yung use spell. Cast
Gather mana.
ayun. Wait lang.
Create stone. Stats. Help. Option. About. Cast spell. Button.
Ayan, hanapin nyo yung cast spell, double tap and long press. Tapos saka kayo mag-right swipe ulit para mapuntahan nyo yung mga kailangan nyong gawin para sa game na to. So, basically, ganyan lang po yung gameplay nito. Demo lang yung game na to, pero pwede nyo raw bilhin yung full version niya kung sakaling gustuhan nyo yung story niya.